A couple of kilometres off the coast of Geraldton, thousands of yellowtail kingfish are ready to be harvested. This is the third commercial aquaculture trial supported by the Midwest Development Commission and the Marine Fish Farmers Association. But the real driver is local company Indian Ocean Fresh Australia and Managing Director Erica Starling.
Run an aquaculture business is more than just putting fish in a cage. You've actually got to be able to supply the feed to it regularly. You've got to put it somewhere. You've got to be able to go out and service it regularly. We've got all that, and one of the key things we have is we've got a lot of skilled small businesses in Geraldton that are actually built their businesses around the marine industry.
Growing the fish from 5-gram fingerlings takes a dedicated mix of animal husbandry and science. Once a fortnight, blood tests are taken from a couple of live fish before the animals are dissected and examined, with samples catalogued to give a detailed history of fish health throughout the growth process.
So we do our fish health, it's routinely every fortnight, so once a month those samples are sent up down to Department of Fisheries, the fish health section, where they do histology and make sure that the fish are all healthy still.
I think we're getting closer to understanding the commercial factors involved in what could make it a success commercially. It's always very difficult to translate what you're doing in a very small scale to becoming a larger scale that will be commercial. I certainly think we've got a commercially viable product. I think we're really understanding the processes to actually grow that now. Scaling up is always going to be the challenge, and how fast you do it, and how much capital it'll need on the way. What's next is ideally we'd like to put another batch of fish in, and I'd like to trial a winter stocking. These were obviously a spring stocking. The water changes with the seasons. It'd be really great to see what happens by putting baby fish in a winter stocking. So we are actually trying to get some baby fish again now. The whole idea is you want to have 3 to 4 intakes a year, multiple intakes, and you want to have continuity of supply at the other end. That's the key to having a good market.